This is Sandbaggy's assembled 88 tile kits. These are great because they're super economical. Each tile is only 1 foot wide by 2 feet long, and you can build them out to whatever size your city or state requires, whether it's a 2x4 or a 3x5, whatever you need, these are great. Okay, so now let me show you how you install this tile. Step 1 is you gotta clean the area, get all the dust out of the way. Done. Step 2 is you gotta mark the corners of the 88 tile. All 4 corners. Okay, and then I would also just mark the separation points right here, just so you have that. Now you've gotta mark where all the holes are. So now I'm gonna use a ballpoint pen and just mark it. Now you gotta drill the holes. Perfect, that's it. You need some polyurethane sealant. This stuff's available at Home Depot, and you need this to seal the back. Okay, you find where your holes are. You set it right in place. Now we're gonna drill in all of these holes. The last step is putting this sealant all around the tile. And that's it, folks. 30 minutes, fully installed 88 tiles. Order from our website, comes with free shipping, and you'll get it within a week.